Joe.
Hi friends! I can't believe it that we actually did it. I don't know how with all the technical difficulties, but we did it. We got to the end year goal of 100 subscribers. I'm incredibly grateful. I'm very excited to see what comes next, what we're going to be doing. I'm very happy. A little thing that you guys don't know is that every subscriber I've gotten, I've been making paper stars for. So I figure what better thing to do for 100 subscribers than to show how to make the paper stars. I know it's a little different of a video than I'm normally doing, but hey, I figured why not? I think it'll be cute. So let's get started. Okay, to start off, you start with a piece of paper. I like to go a little sturdier, so I usually go with cardstock to make my stars. So starting off, you have your paper. What you do next is you start by going widthwise. You want to measure 1 centimeter separations. You can do it one at a time, as the time comes, but I like to cut them all, in one foul swoop. However, for this video, I'm just gonna do one, the special one, the number 100. Okay, now that you have your line drawn out, you don't necessarily have to draw it out. I just draw it out because I'm not good with making straight things, if you can't tell by, looking at me. So, I like to draw mine out. Next, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna cut this. Okay, so now we have our strip cut out. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the strip, make a loop, like so, like a little, ribbon. And then you're gonna take one end and put it through the ribbon, making a knot. Like so. Making sure to squeeze it tight. Once you have your knot, what I like to do is take the flap at the end and tuck it into the knot itself. Like so. You don't necessarily need to do that. I just do it because I like to save myself some cutting. Okay. Now that we have our knot and we have our base shape of the star, what you do next is you're going to start folding over. Folding over. Folding over. Just keep doing it along the paper. Until you have just a bulkier version of the shape. And at the end of it, like the first time, you just take the end and slide it in, tucking it into the fold. And there you have it, the base shape. Okay, now that we got that done, all we have to do now is pinch the sides to make the stars. Now, that's a little more difficult with cardstock. So if you're using cardstock, what I normally do is I would take my pair of scissors. So what I do is on the edge of the scissors, I'll take the star and I'll place the flat end like so along the scissors. And then I would just simply press down on it. Like that. Make sure you're holding the points and not the side of it itself because it bulges out and you don't want to squish it. You repeat that for the other 4 sides. And there you have it. A paper star. And lastly, what I do is I take my little paper star that I added, number 100, and I add it to the other stars so they can all be friends. And there we go. Look at them all All 100 of you guys. And there we have it. Yeah, I know it's a short video and it's a different video than I usually make. However, I just figured it's something I like to do. It's something I've been doing for a while for each one of you. So I figured, why not share it and show you guys that you all matter. And that, yeah. And I thought I'd share putting number 100 in here with the rest of you. I wonder how many subscribers it would take to fill this, though. I genuinely thought, like, getting to 100 subscribers, it would at least, like, be up to here or something. No, it's still down there. Huh. Maybe we'll find out someday. And maybe when that happens, I'll make another video like, this is how many it takes. It takes this many. But for now, thank you so much for 100 subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. You're all special to me. And I think regular videos will be back next week. I think I'm going to take this week, the holiday week, because we're 2 days away from Christmas, to clean and start filming again. And then probably over the weekend I'll edit and get things done. But yes, thank you so much for helping me reach my goal for the end of the year. This year has been hell. I know I don't need to tell you guys this. It's been a lot for everybody around the world. So being able to reach some kind of goal just feels really good. And as always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and bing bong the ding dong down below to be alerted to whenever I make a new video. Yeah, 100 subscribers. Let's do this. Let's try to reach for, 100 more, maybe one day. And until next time, bye!